Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.
A new IPO has hit the street from the auto space today. Popular Vehicles and Services IPO has opened for subscription today, that's March 12th, and the issue will close on March 14th. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and on this video, I will share with you everything that you need to know before subscribing to this new public issue. Now, this company is a Kerala-based automobile dealer, and it is a leading diversified automotive dealership in the country with a presence across automotive retail value chain, including the sale of new, passenger and commercial vehicles, services and repairs, spare parts distribution, sale of pre-owned passenger vehicles and facilitation of the sale of third-party financial and insurance products as well. This company operates in the passenger vehicle dealerships of Maruti Suzuki, Honda and Jaguar and Land Rover, and the commercial vehicle dealerships of Tata Motors as well. Now, through this public offer, the company plans to raise around 602 crore rupees. The price band for this IPO is between 280 rupees to 295 rupees per share. The IPO is a mix of both fresh as well as offer for sale, and for a targeted fundraise of 602 odd crores. Within this, 250 odd crore rupees is from the fresh issue of shares, while the remaining 351 crores is via the offer for sale. Now, the company plans to spend 192 crores of the net fresh issue, whatever the company will be raising, on repaying of the debt of its own and of also certain subsidiaries, while the rest of the money will be kept for general corporate purposes. Now, as of December of 2023, the amount of consolidated debt on the company's books was to the tune of 637 odd crores. So, about 192 crores will be reduced, so the debt will come down to about 400 or 350 odd crore rupees. Now, for FY23, the company's revenue from operations have grown 41% on a year-on-year basis. The company posted a revenue of 4,875 crores. The net profit in this period also grew by 91%, a substantial growth, and reached to 64 crores. Now, investors looking to participate in this IPO can apply in lots of 50 shares and then in multiples thereof as well. The allocation strategy for IPO includes approximately 50% of the reserved for QIBs, qualified institutional buyers, 35% is reserved for retail investors, 15% is reserved for the non-institutional investors. Now, the shares are currently already trading at a premium of 27 rupees in the grey market, reflecting a strong early interest in the potential investors. However, it is important to note that grey market premiums are just an indicator of how the company's shares are stacked up in the unlisted market and are subject to change pretty rapidly. Now, the question comes in for all the investors. Should you apply for this IPO or should you avoid this IPO? Let's see what a slew of analysts have said. Stockbox research analyst Parth Shah is positive on the IPO given the company's experience in the auto industry with diversified auto dealerships, a fully integrated business model and also an experienced management team. On the financial performance, they say that the company's revenue, EBITDA and profit after tax have grown at a compounded annual growth rate of 29.8%, 20.7% and 40.6% respectively during FY21 to FY23. Now, on the upper end of the price band, the issue is valued at 28.9 price to earnings, and this is as far as FY23 is concerned, which the experts feel is fairly valued, and therefore they have given a subscribe rating to this IPO as far as Stockbox analysts are concerned. What have Ventura Securities analysts said? They are also positive on the company's long-standing presence in the auto industry, the penetration in the market, innovative market strategies, high margin business with full integration. It also believes IPO is available at a cheap valuation, suggesting a subscribe rating to it. So, two positive ratings coming out there. The share allotment for this IPO, Popular Vehicles and Services IPO, will be finalized by March 15th of 2024, and the shares will get listed on both BSE and NSE with a tentative listing of March 19th of 2024. So that's all the details that you need to know about Popular Vehicles and Services IPO. In case you're somebody who's already thinking about investing in this IPO or applying for it, do speak to your own financial advisor before taking that final call. Until then, many thanks for tuning in.
मनोहर लाल जी और मैं